Virtual Instructor-Led Training, or VILT, is an online classroom where the student and instructor are in different locations and communicate entirely through the cloud. Through this simulated learning experience, students have the benefit of a hands-on learning experience that improves knowledge retention. Recent improvements in internet bandwidth technology have made virtual instructor-led training an increasingly attractive option for tech companies looking to train customers, partners, and employees on new software solutions or on how to handle software-specific job scenarios and environments. VILT systems offer a higher degree of scalability and accessibility than other methods of instruction. Modern providers of VILT programs streamline the process of creating and managing an online session, enabling companies to focus on the content. For example, new classrooms can be created without the assistance of an IT department, and new students can be added quickly without paying for additional infrastructure, materials, or space. Instructors can monitor students with an over-the-shoulder view, track their progress using analytics, and step in to assist whenever needed. These advantages increase training efficiency, reduce overhead significantly, and overall eliminate the need for expensive classroom training across the globe. VILT is used in a variety of ways. Some examples include corporate training. Companies use VILT to train employees on various topics, such as product knowledge, soft skills, and compliance. Professional development. Professional organizations and educational institutions use VILT to provide continuing education and certification courses for their members and students. Product demos and webinars. Companies use VILT to provide product demos and webinars to potential customers, allowing them to learn about the features and benefits of a product or service before making a purchase. Language learning. VILT is used to provide language classes where students can interact with native speakers and practice speaking and listening skills in real time. In this video, we learned about virtual instructor-led training and its benefits. If you would like to learn more about CloudShare solutions, feel free to visit www.cloudshare.com today.